Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I took a break, now I'm back, and you already know we're about to slay. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. I took a break. I had my brows microbladed slash ombre brows done, and when you do that, you can't sweat, you can't put makeup on there. So I took a break. So now done. Now I don't have to do brows. I can just go straight into my makeup. So I actually have this palette right here from Makeup by Yolondo. This one is called Expression, and she looks like so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. So yeah, so we're just gonna go jump into it. I'm actually using my Surface base, also from Makeup by Yolondo, which is this base right here. So eyes already primed, and we're just gonna jump into it. And my new baby, you know, iPhone 13 Pro Max, couldn't wait to get it. I'm a sucker. Apple have me sucked. Well, that's what my husband says. But you know what? He calls me a sucker, but he's an enabler. Cause he's like, get it, you know? So his fault. That's my story. I'm gonna just use my slick brush, and I'm just gonna dab on here just to make sure there's no creases, or as very little crease as possible. Okay, and I'm gonna use a 216 brush. This is a very teeny brush, and I'm actually gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that like right here. This brush is like perfect for this. So I'm stamping, and when I get to the edge, I'm kind of like just kind of doing like circular motions to make sure I get the edges nice and blended. So I'm kind of gonna do like a cut crease, but not really, like, you know, like kind of the messy cut crease I do. So I actually got my brows done, cause you know your girl had just pitiful brows. A friend of mine did it. She's like really good at what she does. I had like no issues, just, you know, the regular, like, it started kind of like scabbing, I guess, like after like a week, and I just keep, you know, following the instructions, you know, for care, and yeah, I had no issues. And I know like a lot of people have had it done and they had like really bad reaction. I didn't. I'm not, you know, downplaying that people do it and they get like really bad reactions, but I didn't. So, which is kind of wild because I have really sensitive skin. But okay, so now I'm actually gonna go into this shade right here, and we're gonna put that just to the top, and I'm using a Sigma E25, and I'm just gonna put this right here. This palette by Makeup by Yolondo, like all her shadows are so easy to blend. So if you have like, you know, you're not, or you have issues blending, like those shadows are perfect for beginners. Perfect. So that's that. Now I'm gonna go to that really light shade. I need like a real kind of like fluffy brush. I should have just ordered all these brushes from Lauralee. That's her like birthday thingy. Maybe this is what, an L26. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's kind of lime green shade, and I'm just good. Because I wanted like a real fluffy brush for this. And then we're gonna go back to that color blue and then back to that first blue. Perfect. I know it looks crazy, kind of like down here, but you know, don't let that fool you. Don't let that fool you. Where is my NYX glitter glue? I need a brush. Let's use this Sigma E60, and I'm just gonna go with my glitter glue, and I'm just putting it everywhere that I'm gonna want to put that glitter. I don't even think I need that glitter, but or the glitter glue, sorry. But you know, sometimes you just want to be extra. This is a T37. So now I'm gonna go into this shade. So I'm pretty much gonna go into this shade right here, and then I'm gonna put this in my inner corner, you know, like so. I'm just gonna put this like right here. See how pretty this is? I'm a sucker for like a good glitter or shimmer. Let me say that correct, shimmer, because I'm not a sucker for glitter. Like I don't really like glitters. But this is not a glitter, this is a shimmer. And this is so pretty. It's like a blue-green shift. This is a T41, and then we're gonna go into that really light shimmer shade. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Right here. That right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back because I do need a blending brush. This is my work. This is a T53, and I'm gonna go back in that first shimmer shade because I do want like a little bit more blend right here, because you do want it to, you know, look good, like it's nicely blended. And then I'm gonna go back to that first shade. Okay, perfect. That's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. I love the look. Love, love, love. So yeah, let's jump into the face. Let me use this again. This is from Makeup by Yolondo. It's just Silk Poreless Primer. Like the girls like rave. Not yet sold. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is an L24 from L'Oreal Los Angeles. This looks like it's a lot, but it's really isn't. Look at the size of this pimple. Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, so that's that. I know it looks white, but it actually isn't. Like I don't have a lot. It looks like a lot, but I don't. So look at this. So I traveled to Antigua a couple months ago, and I came back and I still have like, because I had to do that so it won't like just, you know, be all over the place. No, it's like, no, I can't even get the tip off. And I'm gonna use cappuccino. I think I'm gonna mix it a little bit, just a little. This is my new Love is the Foundation brush, you know. It's cosmetic and breast cancer. You know, October is breast cancer month every year. They're coming for brush. Yep, that's the brush I know and love. See, that's this. Love it, love it, love it. This is golden. So I do 1 pump of golden and 1 pump of cappuccino. I like the noise that it makes. You know, you're just dancing. Oh no. Let's see. I'm gonna use my One Size concealer. that is it. And I'm gonna use this putty thingy from e.l.f. if I can find it. And this is a 405 from Makeup by Yolondo. Ooh, but I like it. Yeah, this is really, really good, guys. Like, if you can get your hands on it, get it. I love it. This is Golden Days, but the shade I'm using is Bronzed Belle. And let's go ahead and blend this. Oh my god. So this concealer is drying, like, but it's not like an uncomfortable dry, if that makes sense. It is not an uncomfortable dry. I really like this. We're gonna use this is the Benai Luxury Powder. I'm gonna leave this a little bit heavy because you know already the business. Because I have to go in with my shadow. You already know. And let's use this big brush from L'Oreal. This is the L21. Not sure why I'm singing. And I'm gonna use my powder from Moda Beauty that I mutate. Okay, I need to breathe for a second. Oh my god, my face looks so funny. Like, this is so funny. Let's go real quick under my eye and let's go and put some, just a little bit of my surface. I think I'm just gonna put like the dark blue and then just kind of go in, you know? You'll see. So I'm basically gonna put, so I did this one, now I'm gonna do this and this. And then I'm gonna bring down that light shade. Or I might put something lighter. We'll see. And then just a little bit of this right to the edge. Perfect. Now we're gonna dust off a bit because I know I look crazy. And in my waterline, I'm gonna put this from Melt. This is Porcelina. It's just a white liner. This is from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna just take this really light shade right here. And I'm just gonna put it in my inner corner, like right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and bronze. I don't really have like a new bronzer, do I? No, we do not, but you know you're gonna always have her good old faithful, you know. So let's go ahead and use that. Let's use Melba from MAC. This pimple, wherever it came from, it needs to go back there. And then I'm gonna use this highlighter from Pillows. Oh my god, it's so big. That's what she says. I like this palette. I just don't know, like, actually I know, like, I'm never gonna travel with this. It's so big. Where is my broken powder from Sephora that I refuse to get rid of? Because, you know, I use it for this. Okay, now what are we gonna put on the lip? Actually, I'm gonna put this. This is what? This is Metallic Copper from Chanel. Okay, let's dust up this powder. Let's dust up the powder. Put my earrings on. Let's just, you know, comb this down a little bit. And I have something like really cool. This is from insert name here. You can just do like here. So just to, you know, bring down the flyaways. And perfect. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. Like, I know it's fall and you know you want, hey, fall lip and bold eye. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.